أعوذ بالله السميع العليم من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم به نستعين في جميع الأمور اللهم صل على سيدنا محمد وعلى آل سيدنا محمد وبارك وسلم برحمتك رحمة ما صليت وسلمت على إبراهيم وعلى آل إبراهيم إنك حميد مجيد قال رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Blessed climate smart greetings from President of SAMS TQLMA Club, engaged in building SAMS Wheel of Life comes to Tesla powered Al Saadah towers in global university campuses, farms, and gold mines, and SAMS aim to Tesla Gigafactory campus towns in all countries of our world. Rajabul Asab is the blessed month, the month in which Maulana Ali ibn Abi Talib was born in Kabatullah. And in this blessed month, we are giving the gift of SAMS Tesla 53 PGCs gold coin to all residents of Mother Earth, to enable them to own one share of SAM's TQLMA Club high technology companies to earn 21+% ROI and enroll in 5,300 PGCs, Global Executive MBA in Climate Smart Business with Traction, to build their home in their university campus. The prerequisite of joining GEMBA and Climate Smart Business with Traction is US dollar 253 diploma in Climate Smart Business with Traction offered by PIMSET. It's a virtual program. Everyone can participate in this particular program. And after completing the 6 months training, they will be able to enroll in GEMBA and Climate Smart Business with Traction. Welcome aboard, and let's start this wonderful journey of Climate Smart Business with Traction. My name is Dr. Mufaddal Mirza. I acquired my basic education from St. Paul's English High School, did high school from Pakistan Ship Honors College, bachelor's in chemical engineering from the Indian Institute of Engineering and Technology, master's in chemical engineering from Wayne State University, PhD in food science from Urbana Champaign, with postdoctoral research in Nova Scotia, Canada, started a Procter & Gamble in Pakistan, and served there as Associate Professor of Industrial Engineering and Management at Institute of Business Management, where my MBA students converted from Quality Life Maintenance Association into TQLMA with the objective of re-engineering the milk supply chain of Karachi. 10 million liters of milk is sold in Karachi, which causes cancer. And we are now ready to re-engineer the food value chain of Pakistan by building SAM's Wheel of Life Farm School Tesla powered Al Saadah towers in 1,000 university campuses and farms along China-Pakistan economic corridor. And we have 553 acre site available in Dhabeji Wind Corridor to delight the livestock of Karachi. And we will be growing climate smart feed for the livestock so that they can, provide us with toxin-free milk and meat, and all other food ingredients will be grown in climate smart manner and will be provided to mothers to cook nutritious, delicious meals in our 724 restaurant. And healthcare professionals will be providing affordable healthcare services from our healthcare center. And all healthcare centers will be linked with SEPI Hospital Mumbai, which we are building in all countries of our world in SAMS in Tesla Gigafactory campus. My WhatsApp number is 92335377700052. I'm also available on Telegram at 333-228-3257. Everyone can schedule a session like this to solve their individual, family, and business problems with money back guarantee. शुक्रान जजीला, thank you very much. सारे खुश नसीब ख़वातीन हज़रात बच्चे युवक का मौज़मा में मक़दिस में करबला मोहल्ला में में हमारे एक खास दुआ करें कि हमारी ये उम्मीद कि हम 2 बिलियन मुसलमानों को हज का फरीज़ा अदा करने के साथ साथ इसके हलाल भी मुहैया करें, ये उम्मीद हमारी बहुत जल्द तमाम हो। तो खुश नसीब हुज्जाज किराम जो हज का फरीज़ा अदा कर चुके हैं, तो बाकी लोगों को $8,000 का कर्दन हस्ता मुहैया कर दें और 100 शेयर्स के मालिक बने सैम्स TQLMA हाई टेक्नोलॉजी कंपनीज के, और 1000 दिनों के अंदर वो अपने 2000 स्क्वायर यार्ड्स के फार्म हाउस के मालिक बन सकते हैं हमारे धाबे जीविन कॉरिडोर की साइट के अंदर और डैलस टेक्सास की 163 एकड़ की साइट के अंदर। और इस पैकेज के अंदर जो है यूएसए की परमानेंट रेजिडेंट स्टेटस भी इंक्लूडेड है, तो आप परमानेंटली अपने इस फार्म हाउस के अंदर रह सकते हो और $153,000 US के अंदर आप फार्म हाउस और टेस्ला ट्रक के मालिक बन सकते हैं। तो बस ये पैगाम सब तक पहुंचाएं और सब लोगों को हमारे प्रोग्राम के अंदर शामिल करें। Our company is being represented globally. Ambassador Goracha is representing our company in Nairobi. Amin Kachwala is representing our company in Ahmedabad, India, and working on Arvind's Smart Space Project, in the center of which we will be building SAMS Viva platforms, Tesla powered Saadah towers, and that model will be duplicated in all universities and farms of India. Mr. Hussain Muhammad Ali, originally from Rajasthan, is residing in Abu Dhabi and engaging all the mothers and STEM graduates to enroll in our diploma in climate smart business with traction program. Our company is being represented by Ambassador Solomon in Uganda, and he's offering us 5 square mile site in Kampala. And my very good friend who introduced me and taught me golden diamond mining, Mr. Muhammad Kasule, is also representing our company in Uganda, and he has got a huge site available in Ninja, where we will be building our SAMS and Tesla Gigafactory campus towns. So all these directors of our company, SAMS TQLMA Club, can enroll 1,500 plus STEM graduates in Global Executive MBA and Climate Smart Business with Traction to send $10 million to Musk Foundation and get the foreign direct investment of $10 billion to build SAMS AMU just like Gigafactory campus town. So let's make 2024 a very, very productive and peaceful year for everyone by providing a home to all the displaced families of Mother Earth, and make sure that all conflicts are resolved and everyone enjoys quality nutrition. Shukran jazila. Thank you very much. Allahumma salli ala sayyidina Muhammadin wa ala ali sayyidina Muhammadin wa barik wasallam. اللهم كما صليت وسلمت على إبراهيم وعلى آل إبراهيم إنك حميد مجيد وآخر دعوانا أن الحمد لله رب العالمين.